In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best affordable blenders. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best affordable blenders. Number 5. GE Blender. If you're looking for a powerful, budget-friendly blender that gets the job done without overcomplicating things, the GE Blender is your go-to. With 1,000 watts of power and a durable 64-ounce Triton jar, it delivers excellent blending for everything from smoothies and soups to ice-cold frappés. The 6 serrated and 2 knife-edge stainless steel blades slice through ingredients with ease, while the vortex action pulls everything to the center for thorough, even blending. Whether you're prepping for one or making smoothies for the whole family, this blender can handle up to 9 servings in one go. What makes this GE blender stand out is its blend of simplicity and effectiveness. The 5 speed settings plus pulse give you plenty of control without overwhelming you with buttons. It's ideal for busy mornings or meal prep sessions when you need something reliable and quick. Built by a brand known for dependable home appliances, this blender offers fantastic value while still packing in professional-grade performance. It's the kind of workhorse that earns its permanent spot on your countertop. Number 4. KitchenAid K150. The KitchenAid K150 brings stylish functionality and smart design to your kitchen. With its asymmetric blade system and IntelliSpeed motor control, it pulls ingredients into the center and adjusts speed automatically for the smoothest results. And if you love icy drinks, this blender can crush a half tray of ice in less than 10 seconds. Perfect for frozen cocktails, smoothies, and slushies. Its 48-ounce pitcher is ideal for family-sized batches, while the included dual-purpose personal jars let you blend and go in one sleek motion. This blender's soft start feature ensures a mess-free experience, starting gently before ramping up to your selected speed. It's designed for versatility without complexity, offering just 3 well-optimized speeds plus an ice-crushing setting. Whether you're a morning smoothie lover or just want a solid, everyday blender that looks great on your countertop, the K150 has you covered. It's a compact, capable choice that delivers consistent performance and adds a premium touch to your blending routine. Number 3. Breville BBL620SIL. The Breville BBL620SIL Fresh and Furious Blender combines professional performance with everyday ease. With 1,100 watts of power, surgical-grade stainless steel blades, and a 50-ounce BPA-free jug, it handles everything from green smoothies to frozen drinks with finesse. The hemisphere blade system ensures smooth blending by pulling ingredients down and around for even results. And with one-touch programs and an LCD timer, you're in total control whether you're making soup, ice cream, or protein shakes. What sets the Fresh and Furious apart is its quiet operation and premium build. It's engineered to perform without disturbing your kitchen's calm, making it a favorite for early risers or late-night snackers. 5 manual speeds and 9 auto settings let you customize every blend, and it's even compatible with Breville's VacQ vacuum system for brighter, smoother blends. Sleek, powerful, and thoughtfully designed, the Breville BBL620SIL delivers high-end results at a surprisingly affordable price. Number 2. NutriBullet SmartSense. The NutriBullet SmartSense blender combo takes blending to the next level with intelligent features and serious power. With a 1,400-watt motor and a smart auto cycle that senses ingredient load and adjusts accordingly, this blender ensures every smoothie, soup, or nut milk is silky smooth. It comes with a full-size 64-ounce pitcher for batch blending and 2 personal cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces, for single servings. Its 5-speed range gives you pinpoint control, whether you're gently mixing or going full throttle. What really makes this blender a standout is its blend of smart tech and versatility. The easy-to-use interface, dishwasher-safe parts, and durable extractor blades make cleanup a breeze, while its compact design fits beautifully into any kitchen. You also get to-go lids, a tamper, and a recipe guide to kickstart your blending game. From weekday breakfasts to weekend prep, the SmartSense blender combo is powerful, intuitive, and one of the smartest buys in its class. Number 1. Ninja AMZ 493BRN. Topping our list is the incredibly versatile and powerful Ninja AMZ 493BRN. With 1200 watts of performance and 3 high-efficiency functions, this all-in-one appliance works as a blender, food processor, and ice crusher. It includes a 72-ounce pitcher for large batches, a 40-ounce food processor bowl for chopping and mixing dough, and an 18-ounce single-serve cup for personal smoothies on the go. Ninja's Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out by using intelligent blending programs with precise pulsing and pausing. This system truly shines in the kitchen, effortlessly transitioning from smoothie making to food prep with just a switch of attachments. You get multiple blade assemblies, including a dough blade, chopping blade, and extractor blade, designed to tackle any recipe with ease. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup just as easy as the blending. Whether you're creating meals or mixing up post-workout shakes, the Ninja AMZ 493BRN gives you professional results without the premium price tag. It's our top pick for affordable blenders that do it all. And there you have it. 5 fantastic blenders that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to get powerful, reliable performance in your kitchen. Whether you're after silky smoothies, crushed ice, creamy soups, or dough for your next homemade pizza, there's a perfect pick here to match your needs and budget. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.